Meditation is a way to train our minds and generate new habits, habituate our mind to develop presence, concentration, allowing heart, developing wisdom, and different mental states. So the first thing we need to cultivate is mindfulness and presence and concentration, because a mind that is distracted and is not in the present is very difficult to train and to change. So the basic meditations involve focusing on your breath and cultivating relaxation, stability, and vividness. Once we have that, then we can use that mind that is present and concentrated to cultivate new habits, to work with our emotions, to analyze different aspects of reality and develop deeper wisdom. So the basic meditation includes starting with a deep sense of relaxation, stability, and vividness.